forest. It is about forest. Forest. A large place that is filled with so many trees is called forest. And the leaves of the tree are always green in color, right? When there are so many trees which has green leaves, the whole place looks green. That's why the forest looks very green when you look from far distance. Now, I want to ask you one question. Can you tell me what is the color of a leaf? Is it green? Green color or pum? Pkin? Pumpkin. What is the color of a leaf? Leaf is in what color? Leaf is in green. Yes, leaves are always in green color. So, these big green places, which are called forests, are there all over the world. Only few countries doesn't have forests. Most countries does have forests. For example, a country like Singapore doesn't have forest. Did you ever been to forest in Singapore? No, we have only parks. Singapore has a. Does Singapore has a forest? Singapore has a forest. Yes or no? Is there a forest in Singapore, Krish? Singapore? Is there a forest in Singapore? No. Yes. Singapore doesn't have forest. We only have parks. So some countries like Singapore doesn't have forests. But many countries have forests. And forests are also called as lungs of the planet. What are the forests called? Lungs. Because they give us oxygen, which is very important for us to live. Okay? So, they are called the lungs of the planet. What is the forest called? L-U-N-G-S. Lungs of the planet or T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. Forests are called? Forests are called lungs. Yes. Forests are called lungs of the planet. Forests are home for so many birds, insects, and many animals actually. And they eat each other to survive. Do you know that? They don't. Does anybody cook food and carry it to the animals in the forest? No. But what do they eat? They eat each other, and then they survive. That's how all the animals in the forest will survive. What do you have in the forest? Do we have animals? Animals or aliens? Aliens. What do we have in the forest? Tell me. Forest have a lot of forests have a lot of forests have a lot of animals. Yes, there are a lot of animals in the forest and they all eat each other. Nobody takes a lunch box to the animals in the forest. Okay, now can you write a word today that is called forest? Because we spoke a lot about forest today. Say forest. Krish. For. Forest. Good. F. O. O. What makes O sound? For. O. What makes A sound? Go. O. O. O makes A sound. A. Oh, what makes A sound? O. Show me O. O. Yes. For. Rest. R. This one like that. Rest. R. Good. R. A. See? For. Est. A. Where is A? Here. A. A. Good. A. St. S. St. S. Good. Forest. T. T. Krish, look. You have written here. Forest. Come. T. Good. Forest. That makes a forest. Do you want to make one more sound? Let's make it as lungs. Okay? Lungs. La. Lungs. La. No. Lungs. La. Good. L. A sound. Ah. What makes A sound? Ah. Krish. A sound. Ah. 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 Umbrella. Ah. Ah. Good. Ah. Lungs. La. Ah. Na sound. Yes. Lung. G. Lung. See? You wrote lung. Ga sound. Correct? Ga sound. Good. G. Lung. But we're not writing about one lung. We're writing about lungs. Lungs. Sa sound. Good. We are writing what should go here? Not everything. Okay. Good. Now, can you show me what goes here? Lungs. Sa sound. Good. Finished. Lungs. That's all. We are done for the day.